2 weeks ago, payday hit and everything felt fine, until it didn't. One missed direct deposit and a few unexpected expenses drained his account way faster than he expected. Suddenly, the money was gone, bills were coming up fast, and panic started setting in. But instead of making things worse, Tom followed a simple plan that completely changed the situation. And today, we're breaking it down step by step so you can use the same budgeting method before a bad week turns into a financial disaster. The moment Tom realized his paycheck had basically vanished, he freaked out. Most people would. But instead of spiraling, ignoring bills, or swiping a credit card non-stop, he stopped, made a plan, and reset his finances. I'm going to show you exactly what he did, the budget system he used, and how you can copy it for yourself. Let's get into it. The first star mattered the most. Tom focused on 3 things immediately. Stop panicking. Figure out exactly how much money was left. Prioritize the essentials for the next 2 weeks. This part is important because panic usually causes 2 reactions. People either freeze, or they start making desperate spending decisions. Tom did neither. He wrote down the reality of the situation, rent due in 5 days. Utilities manageable, groceries running low, car payment coming up in 2 weeks. Then he split everything into 2 simple categories: essentials and non-essentials. Essentials easy essentials stack akudum service pending be a 2-week emergency budget. Next, Tom built a short-term emergency budget. Not a perfect lifelong financial plan, just a survival plan for the next 2 weeks. Here's the exact framework he used. Step 1: figure out available money, cash on hand, current bank balance, any money coming in soon. Step 2: cover fixed essential things that absolutely cannot be skipped, rent, basic utilities, medication. And 3: estimate variable essentials, basics. Step 4: cut temporary extra spa subscriptions, skip restaurants, delay unnecessary purchases. Step 5: leave a tiny buffer because life always throws one surprise at the worst possible time. Tom focused on keeping a roof over his head first.
Then he gave himself a strict grocery budget and a small gas allowance. Everything else? Frozen temporarily. One of the smartest things Tom did was communicate early. He called his landlord before rent was late, explained the situation honestly, and worked out a short grace period. A lot of people avoid these conversations because they're uncomfortable, but communication usually works better than silence. Short-term cash flow fixin'. Tom needed breathing room, so he used a few short-term fixes to stabilize things. Asked his employer about an early partial paycheck, sold unused items online, switched to a cheaper grocery list, used cash envelopes to avoid overspending. Importantly, he avoided leaning heavily on credit cards unless it was an actual emergency. That early paycheck helped immediately, and the quick cash from selling unused stuff bought him enough time to stop operating in crisis mode. But the biggest change wasn't temporary. It was what happened next. Build a monthly budget that actually works. Since the immediate pressure eased up, Tom shifted to a monthly system designed to stop this from happening. Problems early, then $50 at a time started adding up. Practical habits that made the difference. The tools Tom used were simple but effective. A budgeting app with low balance alerts, cash envelopes for groceries, and gas, automatic micro savings, no new subscriptions rule for 90 days, canceled one streaming service, paused his gym membership temporarily, and swapped a couple restaurant meals each week for homemade food. That alone freed up enough money to start saving consistently, and those small changes added up fast. Within 6 weeks, Tom built a $1,000 emergency cushion, paid off a lingering fee, and stopped depending on credit cards to survive. Bad weeks, common excuses, and how Tom handled them. You don't have anything to sell. Maybe, but many people do. And if not, short-term gigs or local marketplace work can help bridge the gap. My landlord won't work with me. Some won't. But asking early gives you far more options than waiting until after a missed payment. I'm embarrassed to ask for help. Most people understand financial stress more than you think. The key is being honest and having a repayment plan.
Here's the exact checklist Tom followed. 1. Check every account balance. 2. List bills due within 30 days. 3. Build a 2-week emergency budget. 4. Ask about early pay options. 5. Pause unnecessary spending. 6. Start automatic savings, even small amounts. 7. Set up bill autopay and weekly spending reviews. 8. Adjust monthly as income and expenses change. Before, one missed paycheck could throw everything off track. After, emergency savings started, better communication with bills and landlords. Spending under control, budgeting automated. Tom wasn't rich overnight, but he was no longer one bad week away from a crisis. And honestly, that's the real point of budgeting. It's not about punishment. It's about creating breathing room, reducing stress, and giving yourself options when life gets messy. If you want a free version of Tom's emergency budget spreadsheet and the monthly budget template, grab the download link below. Try this on your next payday. Set up even a small automatic transfer into savings and see how quickly momentum starts building. And if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video, Emergency Funds 101. Thanks for watching.